Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're gonna buy a pack. So we're gonna get started, go right into the item shop. Now in order to buy packs, you cannot use V-Bucks. There's some packs that do come with that, but most packs, no, you have to use real money. So if you scroll all the way down, you're gonna see a pack down here below. And this is it, Tech Future Pack. We're gonna scroll through other packs here. There's different prices for each one of these, and none of them you can use actual V-Bucks to buy. It does tell you right here. Also, packs are not giftable, so there's no option to gift this out to someone. So sorry about that. There's no option for that. There are some packs that do come along. They do cost V-Bucks, and those usually we can gift out. Usually. Not always, such as the anime pack that came out that was fully giftable, and there was another one that came out that was also giftable as well, and one of the giveaway winners from before did choose that. However, most packs, like I mentioned before, are not giftable. Right now, we're just going to purchase this one. Again, it will cost money. You cannot use V-Bucks for this, so we're going to go on and purchase this. This is also non-refundable, so once you buy it, that's it. You just bought it and everything. You can't take it back. So right now it does tell me that it was a problem. It usually does tell me that whenever I try to gift out battle passes, and I'm not surprised it gave me an error for that. So in this case, I'm gonna click on it again. I'm gonna purchase it. And right now, finally, it should take me to the PlayStation Store, where it should tell me how much it's gonna cost and all that stuff right here. There we go, so $27. Oof, that's pricey. So let's confirm that price and confirm the purchase. Hopefully I don't get another error. However, if I get an error, I just try it again. In this case, it told me that it did go through. So at this point in time, I can just go back. It's telling me purchasing, and it went through. So here is the pack. It looks really good. So we're gonna equip this. Gonna equip that. Equip this. Equip this as well. Obviously equip this. That looks okay-ish. This skin looks pretty sick. And the backbling, of course. Let's not forget about the harvesting tool. And equipped as well. So right now, we shouldn't see the pack here anymore. Yep, because we just purchased it. If we go back into our locker, we're going to be able to see it right here. So what I could do is just save this loadout. So there's my other two skins. So let's start off with this dude. So let's just leave it with that back bling. And when it comes down to a harvesting tool, well, it does depend. So let's just set this one up. And again, we're going to just save this right over in a new spot. And just look at the last one that we got, which is this dude right here. I do like this back bling, so this is part of the future set. So we're going to go on and choose that as well. And for the harvesting tool, here we go. This is part of the future set. So we're going to save this as well as a new one. So that's how it looks like. Okay, so here's this skin right here. And let's just change it up to the last one. And then there's this dude. Now the skin itself, I think this is my favorite one. I mean, the Pili is big. It's funny. I do like the Pili one, but it's too big. I'm gonna get shot at way too fast and headshot it easily. This one's a bit skinnier, so a little bit better in that case. There's DPG wearing his giveaway skin. Let's go. Got him a little low. Oof, almost got shot by Kelson. That was close. Oh, man. Got scared there for a second. DPG got away again. No! Stole my kill! No way, Kelson. Alright. We're gonna try to kill Kelson next. Try. Oh yeah, let's look like the pickaxes. Nothing special about them. There's no special noise to them. I mean, pretty smooth. Not bad. The skin's not getting away from my shooting, which is good. Some skins are very bulky and they do get in your way. It's one of the reasons why I don't wear Venom, although I do like the skin itself. Just gets in the way. Ooh, Kelson's just waiting for those shots, and I'm missing every single one of my shots. No. Ah, at least I got that shot. Come on, come on, come on. One more shot. There we go. GG, Kelson. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.